Is it time to buy or sell MicroStrategy Incorporated stock? In this video, we are diving deep into MicroStrategy Incorporated. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 27th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 10th of February, 2025, our system has classified MicroStrategy Incorporated as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.58. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock recorded a decline of 28.26%. This equates to an average loss of 2.17% each day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $233.98 is breached, it will initially signal a more pronounced downward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decline of nearly 19.49% over the next 3 months, with a possible return fluctuating between -21.52% and positive 19.73%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis projects a change of approximately 94.80%. According to our estimates, the stock's performance could vary between 93.86% and 340.20% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would suggest a future price range between $465.37 and $1,056.70. Our latest daily update for MicroStrategy Incorporated includes the headline, "Significant movements in MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price on Thursday, fluctuating by 13.35% between high and low." The MicroStrategy Incorporated stock price decreased by 8.82% on the last trading day, which was Thursday the 27th of February, 2025, dropping from $263.27 to $240.5. During that day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 13.35%, ranging from a low of $239.48 to a high of $271.46. Over the last 10 days, the price has declined in 7 of those days, showing a total decrease of 26.55% during this period. The trading volume also fell on the last day alongside the stock price, which is typically a positive indication, as volume should align with stock movements. On that day, the trading volume decreased by 1 million shares, with a total of 18 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $4.39 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $542.99, while the lowest was $96.11. Currently, the stock price stands 55.79%, or $302.94, lower than the 52-week high of $542.99, which is also the all-time high for the stock. MicroStrategy, recently rebranded as Strategy, is navigating a challenging period as its stock has experienced a notable decline of over 11% following a significant Bitcoin acquisition amid a downturn in the cryptocurrency market. The company's choice to purchase 20,000 Bitcoin for $2 billion raises concerns about its aggressive Bitcoin strategy, especially as Bitcoin's prices have fallen sharply. This transaction brings MicroStrategy's total Bitcoin holdings to approximately 490,096 Bitcoin, valued around $43.7 billion. However, the drop in Bitcoin's value has overshadowed any potential long-term benefits of such a substantial investment. In the short term, the bearish trend in MicroStrategy's stock price may be connected to broader market sentiment, particularly after Nvidia's disappointing performance, which has left investors feeling uneasy. The struggles of high-profile companies can negatively impact investor confidence, contributing to the sell-off and creating a tough environment for all growth stocks, including MicroStrategy. Looking ahead, if Bitcoin does not stabilize or recover, MicroStrategy may need to reconsider its investment strategy. While its past performance has seen stocks surge nearly 1,800% since its first Bitcoin purchase in 2020, ongoing volatility and the failure to regain key support levels could suggest a difficult path ahead. Investors should closely monitor Bitcoin's performance as it directly influences strategy and, in turn, MicroStrategy's stock value in both the near and long term. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 29th of January, 2025, it was reported that Compass Point assigned MSTR a buy rating with an initiate action. On Wednesday, the 20th of November, 2024, it was reported that BTI gave MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Monday, the 21st of October, 2024, it was reported that BTIG again assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Benchmark assigned MSTR a buy rating with a hold action. On Sunday, the 22nd of September, 2024, it was reported that Barclays assigned MSTR an overweight rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and price-to-book ratio as sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for MicroStrategy Incorporated. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The stock of MicroStrategy Incorporated is showing sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, which paints a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, some resistance is expected around the levels of $282.66 and $332.32. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, January 17, 2025, with the stock having decreased by 39.46% since then. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The volume of shares traded fell alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 28 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 25 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 23 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 99 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for MicroStrategy Incorporated. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level, and under the right conditions, the stock may face significant challenges in the coming days. This stock is likely to experience considerable movement throughout the day, exhibiting volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, it is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $31.98 between its high and low, representing a change of 13.35%. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 10.50%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may go through downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profitability and a risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 28th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at negative 0.0233. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for MicroStrategy Incorporated. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for MicroStrategy Incorporated is at 250.51. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. There's no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for MicroStrategy Incorporated from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the last day of December in 2024, Xiao Weiming conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On the 21st of January in 2025, Winiarski Greg made an insider buy of 3,709 shares of director stock option, which grants the right to buy. On the same day, Winiarski Greg also conducted an insider buy of 2,745 shares of restricted stock units. On the 21st of January in 2025, Dietze Jane A. performed an insider buy of 3,709 shares of director stock option as well. On that same day, Dietze Jane A. also conducted an insider buy of 2,745 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 29.424. Overall, insiders purchased a total of 378,660 shares and sold 725,914 shares in the last 100 trades. We have a negative evaluation for this stock, and no stop loss has been established. Is MicroStrategy Incorporated stock a good buy? MicroStrategy Incorporated is currently exhibiting several negative signals and is situated within a broad and declining trend. Consequently, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks, leading us to maintain a negative evaluation of this stock. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 28th of February, we expect MicroStrategy Incorporated to open higher by $10.28, starting at $250.33. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.